What's up, everybody? I get to do a unboxing video here with some shoes. Again, I know you're like, come on dude, another one with shoes, but I promise you there is a reason for this specific unboxing video because I'm actually really excited about what Nike has done to shift from a traditional RSC box to this particular corrugated box. So let's get going. Okay, first, I'm not crazy about the length of this tape here. This box will shut if the tape stops. This is what is this, like a 3-inch tape? If that tape just stops right here, that's gonna be plenty of room. But whoever sealed this box went right over this perf. Now, the reason that I really like this perf is because I wouldn't normally need a knife or scissors to open up this box, right? So I can come through, but look what happens. Wah, wah. So now this perf is gonna kind of tear this off, and the user experience is sort of maybe not as great, but either way, the box opens up, and now no mess, no like ripping off, no cutting anything. Awesome job. Love the perf at the top of the box. I'm gonna flip this around. I'm gonna show you why in a minute, why I love the auto bottom on the bottom. This box is going to be, I'm guessing, more expensive than a traditional RSC box, given the difficulty of, it's more difficult to manufacture an auto bottom box. However, when we get to the sustainability aspect of this, it's actually a really awesome addition that Nike has made. So we've got the auto bottom here, and then we've got the perf zip tear on the top. I'm loving both of these. Now it says here, we are offsetting 100% of the carbon emissions for this shipment, which is great. And it says, please help us by recycling this box. The auto bottom actually really helps with box recycling. But here's the miss. We've got this QR code, and when I scan the QR code and I open it up, it takes me to a link. And the link can be very specific about what they are doing. How are they offsetting the carbon emissions? What does an auto bottom box have anything to do with sustainability? They can put all of this, and instead I get taken to a general link, as you can see right here, a general link about Nike's sustainability journey. Why not drive this QR code directly to what you're talking about on this box? I think it's a big miss. It's still cool. They're doing some awesome stuff, but man, drive it home, please. Like, take me right to it. That would be my my preference. We open up this box, we see here, it's a 32 ECT made by Pratt Industries. They talk about creating jobs. It's fairly right-sized. It's difficult to right-size shoe boxes, though you certainly can, but when it's an auto bottom like this, you can't really use like a pack size or anybody like that for an auto bottom box. But it's pretty close. I'm sure they have a bunch of different sizes. Okay, the box is easy to pull out. They've got the little thumb hole. Okay, we don't have to necessarily go through all this because this is a pretty standard Nike box. This is still corrugated. This is a, I don't know what kind of fluting this is on there, but corrugated box, right? The normal brand, you got paper tissue on the inside. Bought me some Air Maxes. I'm pretty excited to rock these bad boys. Not a whole lot of fluff or frills with the inside of it. This box is pretty well right-sized, so good job on that. But that's not the reason why. Okay, let's go back to this guy. To recycle a cardboard box, you need to flatten the box. Most people don't realize this. It helps to flatten the box because when it goes to the MRF, or the material recovery facility, when it goes to them, they are trying to find where is the paper, and they're looking for flat objects. So Nike, hopefully, has already talked about this with the MRF. And so, in order to flatten this box, you push that down, the box flattens, voila. I've had to do hardly any work, zero work, to make sure this box is recycled flat. Instead of taking out another pair of scissors, instead of trying to flatten it myself, they just make it super easy. Also, if you want to return and reuse this box, they include a piece of double-sided tape already on there so that I can reuse this box to ship the shoes back. Maybe I don't like how they fit or how they look or whatever it is, and I want to return these. Nike has made it really easy. You put the shoes back in, fold this up, and then seal it. All right, so awesome job, Nike. Love the I love the shoes. I love what your commitment is to sustainability as I'm dropping boxes on the ground. And would love for you to follow this channel for more unboxing videos, for more packaging content. I'm just getting this thing started, so super excited to be sharing with you, and packaging's awesome. Let's go.